What is the function of the second paragraph? This is a structure-based question. So let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the second paragraph suggests and addresses criticism against the stage model theories of grief. So it can be inferred that the purpose of the second paragraph is to address the criticism of these theories. We need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, to extend a critique of the work by various grief theorists. In the context of the second paragraph, the passage discusses several concerns of critiques, but the passage itself does not extend the critique. The passage simply responds to the criticism rather than critically analyze the theories. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, to extend support to the criticism. In the context of the issues raised by the critics, the passage discusses two criticisms, one related to the idea of linearity and whether individuals must progress through the stages in a timely manner, and the passage says that the authors of the various stage models did not make this assumption. Also, regarding another criticism related to the idea of normal psychological state, the passage says that further examination is necessary. So overall, it can be inferred that the passage either refutes the criticism as it does in the first case or suggests further examination as it does in the second case. Either way, it is incorrect to state that the passage extends support to the criticism. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, to dismiss the criticism as unfounded. In the second paragraph, the passage discusses two concerns raised by the critics. Regarding the first concern of linearity, the passage says that the authors of the various stage models did not make this assumption. Regarding the concern related to the normal psychological state, the passage says that further examination is necessary. Overall, it can be inferred that the author objectively evaluates both the criticisms, and it is incorrect to state that the criticism is dismissed because it is unfounded. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, to conclude that the stage models of grief are not reliable. In the context of the second paragraph, the passage passes no judgment on the reliability of the stage model of grief. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, to analyze different criticisms of stage models of grief. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map, because as per the mind map, the second paragraph suggests and addresses criticism received by stage model theories. So this answer choice correctly highlights the function of the second paragraph. E is the correct answer choice.